fishing. That sort of fishing. Octopusing. So this guy with the can on his head, this is Gaetano, and the guy paddling is Pasquale. Gaetano's got this can that has glass on the bottom, and apparently that helps him spot things at night. There's, you know, spot things that are moving around, like my little sea urchin. Oh, nasty. He like grabs onto the head, sticks his finger in the other end, pulls on it, and then like bites off its eyes. Too late, we caught one, I bet it's over. It's already done, I swear to God. Yeah, no? I bit like a girl. Okay? Huh? Oh, yeah? Woohoo! I kicked butt.